I'm Joelle Hudson. You're at our home in North Carolina. When we moved here a few years ago, my husband and I wanted true custom window treatments. I think it's sometimes overlooked how important window treatments are as an accessory in a room, and Jim Branson and his staff at Belvedere Blinds did a wonderful, true custom job. A lot of times it's easier to look at some big box stores or online, but when you're looking for something that's truly custom, Jim Branson and his team are the ones you want to call. Jim presented us with many options for our window treatments, from blinds to shutters. In doing so, Jim also explained the difference between his company and other companies that truly are not custom fit treatments. We were very pleased with everything that Jim presented to us, and it wasn't long after they installed our shutters and our beautiful Roman shades. Something that we found extremely important when contacting Jim Branson at Belvedere Blinds was we always spoke with Jim personally. Jim Branson and his staff at Belvedere Blinds has truly redefined what servicing the customer is all about.